Big news for Vikram Solar shareholders. The company is now diversifying into one of the most promising sectors of the future, solid state battery manufacturing. What does this mean for you as an investor? Let's decode the opportunity. Vikram Solar, one of India's leading solar energy solution providers, has made a strategic move to establish a state of the art solid state battery manufacturing facility. This step marks the company's entry into the next generation energy storage market, which is critical for India's renewable energy goals and EV adoption. Before we dive deeper, let's understand what makes this technology so special. Unlike conventional lithium ion batteries, solid state batteries use a solid electrolyte instead of liquid one. Benefits include higher energy density, faster charging times, longer life cycles, improved safety globally. This is the next big leap in energy storage systems, attracting billions of dollars in R&D investments. Here is what we know so far. The facility will be built in Tamil Nadu with a massive investment of 1000 crore over the next few years. It will include a pilot line for testing, followed by full-scale production. The project is a part of Vikram Solar's long-term diversification strategy to complement its solar manufacturing and EPC business. This will not only reduce India's dependence on battery imports but also support domestic energy security goals. This diversification can significantly impact Vikram Solar's future earnings. With India's push for energy transition, grid-scale storage, and electric vehicles, demand for batteries is expected to grow exponentially. For shareholders, this means new revenue streams beyond solar panels and EPC contracts, potential for valuation re-rating, greater interest from institutional investors focused on green energy portfolios. Also, battery manufacturing opens doors to PLI schemes, global collaborators, and even export opportunities. India's renewable energy targets, EV adoption policy, and global ESG investing trends are creating massive tailwinds for battery manufacturers. Governments across the world are offering incentives, and solid state batteries are viewed as the future of energy storage. Vikram Solar is positioning itself at the right place at the right time. As a shareholder, you should track execution timelines of the facility, technology partnerships or licensing arrangements, government support or PLI incentives, revenue contribution from this new vertical in the coming years. Vikram Solar's move into solid state batteries could be a game changer if executed well. This could unlock significant value for long-term investors. So, what do you think about this diversification? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on key developments in the unlisted space.